Greetings, everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz, and I am working inside the ACT Companion app. This is the app that comes with your ACT software subscription. Now, I had a client reach out to me and say they were interested in getting some information from ACT onto their mobile devices so that when they had their representatives out in the field, they could have contact information right in front of them. So our conversation led from, okay, instead of taking it and putting in your app on your phone, why don't you just use Act Companion? And an advantage of this is as follows. What I instructed them or showed them is that they could work with Act Companion and they could keep track of what is going on when their contacts are out in the field. So in other words, let me create a scenario. They went and saw this contact, and in this case, the contact's name is Test Contact. They visited this contact, and they wanted to make a note or a history of that visit. So what I'm going to do at this point is try to imagine I'm out at Test Contact. I've had a visit with them, and now I want to record what happened during that visit. Well, I click on their contact. I'm going to click on Details, and when I get inside Details, I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and I really have two options. One option is History, and one option is Note. In this case, I'm going to click on the plus sign next to History, and what I want to record is this. I want to record first that I had a visit, that I had a meeting, and that the meeting was held. And I'm just going to leave the date as is. But what the regarding is going to be is I can put anything in here, and I'm just going to type in sample visit for right now. And again, I'm not a great typist here, so if I make a mistake, bear with me. But this to me is the key point. Sometimes it's hard to type on these devices. I'm not real good at it. Some people are much better than I. But one of the things I can do is dictate. So I'm going to click here inside of where it says Details. And now I'm going to go down to the bottom of the screen, the bottom right-hand corner, and I'm going to click on the microphone. So now that I've clicked on the microphone, you'll notice that what I'm saying is getting dictated into the note. For example, I could say that I had visited the contact today and I had a great meeting with them and we talked about all our products and services, and I am about to create a proposal when I get back to the office, period. In addition, I want to tell my colleague, Fred, to send them an email about maintenance on one of their machines. So now I can come in here, create a note, I can dictate it. And what this does is it saves me time from having to do this as I get back to the office and have to fill out paperwork or reports or anything of that nature. So by dictating, it allows me to work a little easier with inside of ACT by making notes and making this process easier. This is one example of how you can use ACT Companion to help your staff on the road be more proficient and more organized when entering data. They don't have to come back to the office, remember what was said. They could dictate notes here and be prepared for their next appointment. My name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. You have a great day. Be well now.